Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Zalo. First, let's get the application on your device. Simply open your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Zalo in the search bar, then tap the download or install button. The app is free and typically takes only a few moments to download, depending on your internet speed. Make sure you have a good connection to complete this initial step smoothly. Now that you have the app, it's time to create your account. Open Zalo and choose the Register option. You will need to enter your phone number. Zalo will then send a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter this code into the app to confirm your number. Alternatively, you can opt to sign up using your existing Google account, which streamlines the process by linking your Zalo profile directly to your Google credentials for convenience. With your account registered, let's personalize your profile. Start by entering your full name, which helps friends recognize you. Next, upload a profile picture. A square image, around 150 by 150 pixels, works best. You can also grant Zalo permission to access your phone's contacts, making it simple to find and connect with friends already on the platform. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your settings. Your Zalo setup is complete, and now you can explore its many features. You can send free text messages, make voice calls, and even video calls to your contacts. Share photos, videos, and other files effortlessly. Zalo also offers group chat functionality and integrated services like Zalo Pay for convenient mobile payments. Importantly, Zalo includes end-to-end encryption for secure communication, ensuring your conversations remain private. You can also follow official accounts for news and services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.